All right, we have from Mason Alhambra, which if you don't know is a brand of Lattafa, so it's still Lattafa Kismet. I've heard so much about this fragrance. If I'm being totally honest, I didn't know that I bought this. When I was checking out, I saw this and it made me think of by Kilian. I was like, oh, sweet, a by Kilian. And if I remember correctly, this is an Angel Shares clone, which I own Angel Shares. So I was not looking to get a clone, but you know what? Maybe it'll enhance my wearing and I'll wear it more often because I don't want to waste my Angel Shares because it is so addicting. So good. All right. That just shredded on me. Whatevs. This is a cool box. And I think, oh, guys, look at that. That is class. Definite class. What did I get? This does not look like what I was thinking. Okay, if this is not a by Kilian, I don't know what a clone of by Kilian would look like because my goodness, this looks just like their clones. All right, the cap did not want to come off. It's not magnetic, but it is heavy. All right, spray. All right. What do you think of the box or the bottle? I kind of like it. The whole presentation, banging on. All right. Wow. Okay, so that is not at all Angel Shares. That smells much more like, it's a darker fragrance. I'm trying to decide if this is a Black Phantom or a, oh, the name's escaping me. Come on, get back in there. I don't know what that is. That is really nice. This is definitely a cool weather fragrance. This would be great in the fall, spring when it's cooler. I'm not saying this is going to be amazing in the freezing cold like winter, but you could definitely use this. Oh, I know the scent. This is definitely a by Kilian. This has to be. Which one is it? Oh, shoot. This is going to bother me. All right, I'm probably going to look it up, put right there what the fragrance is, but at the moment, I have no idea. Ooh. Okay, this is number 3 of the 9, and already I'm regretting deciding the first one will be my scent of the day. This is what I want to wear today. Oh my goodness, this is so good. They would just spray all 9 of them on me and just smell like the worst potpourri there has ever been. I don't know. Well, anyhow, follow me for more fragrances. I will cover these fragrances. I will go over them, tell you the longevity, the sillage. Obviously, I have absolutely no idea because I'm just unboxing them. So once I find out, I'll do a follow-up review and let you know whether they're worth it or not. So far, all 3 are yes, they are worth it. Oh, so good. All right, Nubs Fragrances, signing off.